Guys, welcome back to our 69 GTO. Man, this thing is coming along and it's sick. It's got mega power up front. We're going through all of our mock-ups and kind of building out the systems, make sure they're all good to go before we send this thing off to the body shop. Now, one thing you don't think about replacing until you go actually kind of look at your old one and realize how beat up it is. A lot of times they're real sloppy in there, is replacing a steering column. So we've got one from IDIDIT. These guys are amazing because they make the replacements easy, right? The bracketry is all the same. This will unbolt, bolt right here. Look at the connectors. Same connectors, plug right in. So that part's easy, but you can also upgrade, right? They got some technologies in there. So of course you're gonna have everything from your turn indicators, your flasher lights, but also tilt. 8-position tilt, which a lot of these old vehicles didn't. So that's a huge upgrade to get the wheel just where you want, right? We're gonna put our shifter right where we want. You can also go to something like push button start with VAZ technology, a little key tag, and all you gotta do is boom, hit the button, fire it up. You don't have your keys dangling around, scratching stuff. Super cool system, right? It uses the SEER, so it's smart entry exit recognition. So this thing we're gonna bolt in, like I said, get the position just like we want. It's gonna be easy. So let me start getting the swapperoo and then we'll figure out how to mount some of the technology in there as well.